has been the year of SUVs. So many new manufacturers came to India and they all brought their SUVs to India. And then you had Hyundai bringing out the electric Kona. Following Hyundai was MG with the ZS EV, and now Tata has unveiled their new Nexon EV for the Indian market. The vehicle will be in showrooms in a couple of months and will be priced around rupees 15 to 17 lakhs. Tata Motors has unveiled it today and we are here to show you what it looks like and what exactly are the specifications. This is Lijo, welcome to Express Drive. You know why Tata Motors started with the Nexon as the base for its mass EV project? It's because the Nexon is funky to look at and plus it sells in very good numbers. If you see this Nexon, that's the EV, it has got a lot of new elements. Tata Motors started on a fresh note. Actually, the hindrance was to how to better a very nice design and make it even more alluring. So if you look at the Nexon EV, it is alluring to look at. You see the grille, there is a blue tinge to it, or rather when you look at an SUV, or rather when you look at an electric vehicle, you always feel the thing that there is a closed grille. In the Nexon EV, you see that the grille is closed, but it still retains the elements from the regular vehicle. And Tata Motors also tells us that this design would be there on the facelifted Nexon as well. So around 90 to 95% of this design is expected to be there in the regular Nexon as well. You have a sunroof, you have a white roof, and you have this new color that you see on the Nexon. There are various other design elements like the taillights, which are crystal clear lens now, and you also have different bumpers. Tata Motors have also added some weight to the car, but it is mostly in the bumpers and the way the car is designed. It just looks brilliant. I mean, if you want to buy an EV just for the looks, this would be it. The Nexon EV uses Tata's new Ziptron technology, and this one promises a 30.2 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery that is IP67 rated. IP67, by the way, is the highest standard for a battery right now. It is just as well as water resistant is what Tata Motors tells us, and the range that is promised is 300 kilometers, or rather more than 300 kilometers. Tata will come up with a number or a specific number at the time of the launch. You can charge this battery at around 7 to 8 hours using a 15 amp socket, and with the direct, or rather with the fast charger, you can get up to 80% of boost in less than an hour. That's very impressive, isn't it? What's more impressive is the numbers. This EV will do 0 to 100 in less than 10 seconds, whereas the 0 to 60 can be achieved in just 4.6 seconds. Tata hasn't come up with a top speed, but we expect it to be around 150 kmph. The new Ziptron technology that debuts in the Nexon EV will also spawn off for many other vehicles in the Tata Motors passenger vehicle range. This is in fact a very important point, wherein which Tata Motors is offering around 8-year warranty on a product, and that shows the confidence the manufacturer has in its EVs. In future, the prices will go down for sure because of the mass commercialization of the product. In all, right now the prices that you are looking at for the 3 trims that the company offers is around 15 to 17 lakhs, and in a few weeks time you will know the actual prices and the cities in which this vehicle, or rather the EV, will be sold. Mumbai will definitely happen. We are not sure of the other states, but Tata Motors is ensuring that the infrastructure is in place, wherein which they are expected to put up around 300 charging stations on highways, in corridors, in malls, and this will take away some of the anxiety that you usually have with an electric product. So we are inside the cabin of the Nexon EV. Things look familiar, everything, the entire layout, but there are differences if you are an observer or if you know the vehicle very well. If you see the instrument console itself, it's all new. It's a 7-inch TFT display. Unfortunately, I don't have the key with me, but as you can see, it's similar to what you have seen in the Ultros, or what you would be seeing in the Ultros as well. It's showing recharge, and it's showing a variety of details from what Tata Motors has explained to us. This flat bottom steering wheel is also similar to what you have seen in the Ultros. It has got your Bluetooth connectivity as well as other features to it. You have the similar looking stalks from this regular Nexon. You have the automatic wipers as well. You have projector headlights. This is your 6.5-inch touchscreen system, complete with Android Auto as well as Apple CarPlay. And it's fluid to use. I mean, from what I am seeing here, it's just brilliant. You also have a voice command here. Hello Nexon. You have an app through which you can connect various functions of the car, like you can remote start the AC. Unfortunately, this sunroof that you are seeing here, it cannot be opened through the app, whereas you can also start the vehicle and you can switch on the lights. There are various functions. It's available both on Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto. This sunroof, this would be part of the standard feature in the top end model that Tata Motors is offering, and it's an electrically operated sunroof. Unfortunately, like I said, the key is not here, so I won't be able to demonstrate that to you. Tata Motors has built this vehicle on the very same Nexon platform, but have added some weight to it too. This is the weight of the battery pack as well as some inclusions here and there. They have also managed to shave weight by using lightweight alloys and replacing some of the components with a lighter material, which in turn doesn't affect the rigidity in a big way, but it just compensate for the increase in the overall weight that the Nexon EV has gained over, let's say, petrol or a diesel Nexon. Unfortunately, Tata Motors hasn't supplied how much more weight the Nexon EV has gained over the regular vehicle, but they say that the performance should be zippy enough, and we have no reasons to believe, we have no reasons to disbelieve them or not believe them in this sense. So then, if you like the product and if you like this video, do remember to share, subscribe and like our channel Express Drives on YouTube.